Why does your scanner show the P0A14 engine code? What does it mean? P0A14 is a diagnostic trouble code for engine mount A control circuit or open. The P0A14 engine code for indicate the engine control unit, ECU, has detected an electrical fault or a disconnected or broken circuit in the active or electronically controlled engine motor mount A, usually the front mount. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Malfunctioning engine mount actuator, damaged or corroded wiring, loose or faulty electrical connectors, blown fuse, defective Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Lincoln, Honda, Jaguar, Porsche, and Range Rover. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.